Bismillah Rahman Rahim. In today's lecture, I will teach you about how to edit a WordPress page, add a heading to the page, add a list to the page, add a table to the page, add images and gallery. And last one is how to insert a URL into the web page. You can go to the installed folder, XAMPP installed folder. For example, I have installed my XAMPP folder into E drive, and this is XAMPP folder, XAMPP control panel. Then control panel will appear in front of you. You need to start Apache and MySQL web services. After this, you can go to the page. This is your first page. What you will write, you can write localhost and then your folder name. My folder name is 12345 and then WP admin for the edit. Okay, this is in edit mode, and open another tab to display the website look and feel. You can write localhost and then your folder name, your ID number 12345. Okay, these are the pages that I have designed. Now I'm going to create a web page, or you can edit an existing page. What you will do, you can go to page tab. This is the page tab. You can click over it. Then you can add new button. Right now, how many pages are there? I have 3 pages: about us, home page, and product page. If you want to edit one of them, you can click on edit home page. If you want to edit home page, you can click here. If you want to add a new page, you can click on the add new button. Suppose I'm going to design a new page with the name of my page. In my page, I want to write the text here. I have already written this text. How can you write this? This is a default text. You can write rand and then number of paragraph. I need number of paragraph 2. How many sentences in each paragraph? 5 sentences. When you will enter, it will give you 2 paragraph, and each paragraph consists of 5 sentences. Copy paste, Control C and Control V. For example, you are in this paragraph. When you will click this paragraph, or you can click to this plus sign, paragraph is there. When you will click on this paragraph, it will give a space to write another paragraph after the existing paragraph where you are there. Suppose your cursor in this paragraph. When you will click on the paragraph tab, then it will give you a space to insert a new paragraph after that paragraph. If you want to give the heading, you can write here heading, click to heading option, and then here you can write the heading. Suppose I'm writing my first heading. Okay, this is your heading. If you want to make it bold, for example, this is your first letter of the paragraph. You want to make it bold, you can click to bold. And if you want to write italic, for example, this video, you can make it italic. You can click on I symbol. If you want to make it the link, okay, I am going to open Office website. Suppose Office 365 login. You can copy paste this, Control C. Here you can write open Office 365. You can highlight this text and then you can write the URL of Office, this Office website. Publish. If you will run this, here is my page. You can click on my page. Once you will click on this link URL, it will open Office 365. You can see it's open Office 365. Okay. After this, if you want to add the list, this is the list. You can add the list. Suppose you want to add coffee, tea, cold drink, like that. Okay, in this way you can add any list. Next one is you want to add the table. Okay, this is table. How many column you need? Suppose you need 3 column, 4 column and 5 rows. Create table. Here you can write the heading, but right now I'm writing column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4. Okay, and here I am writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. If you want to make it bold, you can click to bold button. It will make it bold. Edit table. If you will write right now, you are in column 1. If you will click here and you will write insert row before, okay, it will give you the row before. Now you are here, column 1. If you will insert row after, it will give you row after. You can click on this table, edit table, and insert column after. They have inserted a new column. Insert column before. They have another column inserted before of the existing cursor position. This is another column. Add caption, my practice table. If you want to make it duplicate table, duplicate. It will give you duplicate table. This is table 1, this is table 2. If you want to remove this row, click here, delete column, delete row. You want to delete this row, delete row, delete column. This is delete column. This is again you want to delete column. Okay. Next one is image. You can select from here, or you can go to the left side, click on plus sign, image. Here you can upload image. Upload. Suppose you want to upload this image. This the image is there. If you want to make it drag, you can adjust the space, adjust the size of the image. Okay, crop. Okay, now this is okay. In this way you can add many images. Image gallery, you can click from here, or you can click from by using this plus button. Gallery, if you want to add multiple images, suppose you want to add these all images. Okay, this is the gallery. See, this is the gallery of the images. And last one, if you want to add the video, this is the video. Okay, and here you can add the URL. Upload a video. If you have a video, you can upload any video. If you want to insert from URL, you can give the URL also. Okay, I'm going to insert URL. Insert from URL. URL. Click to apply. Okay. Now update all the pages. All these things. Update. Update it. You can go to second page, second tab, and refresh this page. Once you will refresh this page, you can see all the page contents. I have make it bold. This is a link, URL link, heading is there, column, and these are images are there. Okay, and last one, when you will click here, video that you have inserted the link. Go to home page. Now in this way you have designed a page, a WordPress web page. How many pages you want to design, you can design it. How many pages are required in your assignment or project, you can create all the pages and write the contents according to the nature of the page. Thank you so much students. Jazakallah khair.